Welcome to Savor the Sea, where we dive deep into the ocean's bounty to bring you the best tasting fish from around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious foodie, these selections promise to tantalize your taste buds and inspire your next seafood feast. First up, we have the rich and buttery salmon, a versatile fish that shines whether grilled, baked, or smoked. Its distinct flavor pairs wonderfully with a range of seasonings, from dill and lemon to more adventurous spices. Next on our list is the halibut, prized for its delicate, sweet flavor and firm texture. Perfect for pan, searing, or roasting, halibut makes a splendid centerpiece for any meal, complemented by a simple butter sauce or a squeeze of fresh lime. For those who prefer a milder taste, the cod offers a subtle sweetness with its flaky, white flesh. A favorite in fish and chips, cod can also be poached or baked, absorbing flavors from herbs and spices beautifully. And we can't forget the luxurious sea bass, with its moist, tender meat and slightly oily texture, making it ideal for grilling or broiling. Sea bass stands out with minimal seasoning, letting its exquisite taste take center stage. Lastly, the tuna, a fish that ranges from light and flaky to rich and steak-like depending on the cut. Whether it's seared rare or cooked through, tuna offers a robust flavor that's unmatched, especially when seasoned with a touch of sea salt and pepper. There you have it, 5 of the best tasting fish from the sea to your table. Each offers a unique taste experience that promises to elevate your cooking and delight your palate.